Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on selfies category. At the second position here we have save selfies as preview option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn off our mirror effect or turn it on as we need. We have also short info from the device that this can save selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. So of course remember that when you want to use this correctly, you have to change back camera to the front one by tapping on this button from the right. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.